Good day and welcome once again to Chemistry Tutorials with Tutor Taye Manuel. And today we are going to be looking at IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds. So we want to give the IUPAC nomenclatures of these three organic compounds that belong to different homologous series. Let's start with the first one. Now, in naming of organic compounds, it is best that you expand the structure to a structural formula so that you'll be able to know how the bonds are actually being arranged and to be able to give the proper name of the particular organic compounds. Now let me run through the rules of naming organic compounds. The first thing is to take the longest continuous carbon chain as the root hydrocarbon, and then we are going to give each carbon on the longest continuous carbon chain numbers such that it must have the lowest number to a substituent attached or to a functional group or a multiple bond that is present in that organic compound, and then we name appropriately. And don't also forget that we have to name in alphabetic order, that is, substituents are to be named in alphabetic order. So let's name these three organic compounds now. So for the first one, CH3, this is CH3, CH, then CH3 attached to the CH, this CH3 in brackets attached to the CH, and I have CH2, then CH and CH2. Now, carbon has to be surrounded by 4 bonds always in any compound. It means this place is going to have a multiple bond. There's going to be a double bond there. So the longest continuous carbon chain will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either way, it's still going to give the same name. So I will now give the carbon number such that it must give the lowest count, lowest number to a functional group or to a substituent attached. Now, functional group has to take priority over substituent. So this is where I'm going to start from. So this is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, 4, and 5 because of the double bond here. So I have to give preference to the multiple bond to a functional group above a substituent. So on carbon 4 there is a substituent attached, which is methyl. So that will be 4 methyl, showing the position of the methyl. 4 methyl, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 1 because of an alkene is having a double bond. So that's how this is going to be named. To the second one belongs to a functional group known as esters or alkanoids. Okay, this is an ester or an alkanoid. So I have C3H7. C3H7 simply means C3 and H7. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is C3H7. To C. Anytime you have this a carbon bonded to oxygen in this manner, and being an alkanoid means is a carbonic compound. So one of the oxygen is doubly bonded to the carbon, while the other one is singly bonded to it. Then you have the C2H5 means C2H5. Okay? So when you want to name esters, you name the alkyl on the right hand side after the carbonyl group and the oxygen. Then you come and count the number of carbon atoms on the left hand side. So C2H5 is what? Ethyl. This is ethyl. Then I will now count the number of carbon atoms now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethyl butanoate. Okay? Then the third one belongs to an homologous series known as alkanones, otherwise called ketones. Okay? So I have C3H7 again, C3H7, this is C3H7, 1H, 2H, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is definitely a carbonyl, doubly bonded to the oxygen. Then I have this. Now, this compound is not this compound. There are two different compounds. Look at it carefully. One has two oxygens, this one has one oxygen. This is an ester, this is a ketone. This is an alkanoid. Esters are also known as alkanoids, while this is what? An alkanone or a ketone. Now, how do you name ketone? You start counting from the point where to give the lowest number to the carbonyl group. That's where the functional group is. So if I start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2.4 count before I could reach this particular carbonyl. But from here, 1, 2, 3. So this is the right way to count in this context. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 is what? X, right? So hexa 3 ohm. So we have given the IUPAC nomenclature of these three organic compounds. I believe this tutorial helps you to understand more on giving the IUPAC nomenclature for organic compounds. Kindly subscribe to my page for more videos. See you in the next class.